out there on the road again. Well, I tell you, it's been a great trip so far. Left Reno a few days ago and made it up to Seattle, delivered my load there. Now heading back down to Willows, California. That's where we have a terminal there. And from there, I pick up my next load, which I'm not sure yet where I'm headed next. But it's going to be an adventure, that's for sure. It's been a great trip, I tell you, coming over the Oregon mountains there, Highway 58. It was just gorgeous. Some awesome views all along the way up through Seattle. I'll tell you, as many of you know, this traffic is crazy. Heading through Portland, especially all the bridges, it was a slow go. Not as bad coming back through. Heading out there was. Got my CB radio on as well. Breaker, one-niner. But it's good to listen to CB there. They tell you what's happening. If there's a crash or something up ahead, gives you a heads up. It has been kind of a stop-and-go traffic the whole way through Portland. Now coming just south of Portland right now. So heading south, back down towards Central California. And from there, I'm not sure again where I'm headed after that. Stay tuned to find out. I appreciate everyone watching, tuning in. It's been great reading all the awesome comments on my latest adventure here in trucking. And boy, I can't believe it. I have to pinch myself once in a while saying, wow, I'm doing it. It's been really cool. So yeah, it's been great to get out here, see the country and everything, meeting some nice people along the way, fellow truckers. Hello, Dave in Dayton, from Dayton, Nevada. Met him out there on the road. And another guy, David, as well, in Reno. He's a trucker too. So really cool to meet you all out there. Thanks so much for saying hi. Of course, all eyes on the road, safety first. And that's the latest from the road here. Oh, just pretty views all around here. It's so green out here with all of the moisture. Been getting lots of rain the past couple of days. Same storm that's heading right toward Reno. Little break in the weather on Saturday. Next storm comes in by Sunday night, all the way through Monday, Tuesday. Sierra Mountains, Donner Pass could see 6, maybe up to 12 inches of snow up there in the higher elevations. So get ready for that. Possible chain controls as well, especially by about Sunday night through Monday. Look out for that. Nice thing about this job, they say if it's weather's bad, if you don't feel safe, just park it. And again, safety first, for sure. Well, that traffic coming northbound is it's slow going. At least I'm heading this way so far. Traffic is starting to pick up again. All right, thanks for watching. We'll keep you updated here on the road.